What is yield farming? Farming in crypto means something. And in this video, I'll be explaining to you what is yield farming and how you can make money from yield farming. My name is Fabian Wandi, but everyone calls me the Crypto Lord. I decrypt crypto and make it so simple that even a child of 5 can understand. If that is what interests you, can you give me that one subscription and click the bell for notification so that you should not miss on any of our videos. I am not a financial advisor. It is very important I give this disclaimer. This information is for education and entertainment only. Yield farming involves you investing in decentralized platforms to gain rewards. Okay, let me break it down. When they talk about farming, farming means sowing to reap. You go and you sow a crop and it produces more and you reap. That is farming generally. In the crypto world, it's about you locking up coins and the coins produce more money for you and you gain rewards for that. Let me explain to you how this works. You see, after Bitcoin, Ethereum came up and they built a virtual computer on the internet. And on that virtual computer, anybody can go on this virtual computer and build an application. Once you build an application on this virtual computer, it is called a decentralized application, a DApp. On this decentralized application, you can go there and you build an application that deals with finances, that deals with money. And this application is called a DeFi, decentralized finance. And all of these applications, they are called smart contracts because they work automatically. Nobody controls them. That is why they say in crypto, code is law. Once somebody code it and deploy it, it becomes law. Nobody can alter it or change it. That is how the code works. Now, when these applications are being built, there are some that deals with financial transactions and they are called decentralized exchanges. You can swap coins. You can send Ethereum to get BTC. You can swap from BTC to get Doge. You can swap from this to get that. That is how it works. Now, with this, you are not trading directly with somebody. You are not selling to somebody and receiving from somebody. No. There is what we call a pool. And in this pool, people come and lock up money. I can come and I have my maybe 1 BTC and I don't want to use the BTC. I don't have anything to use the BTC for. I go in this pool and I put my BTC there. And once I put my BTC in this pool, somebody can come and swap Ethereum and take BTC. When somebody is swapping the Ethereum is going into the Ethereum pool because other people have locked up Ethereum. And this money is called liquidity. So people provide liquidity so that others can swap. Now, during this swapping process, when you are swapping, charges are being cut. When these charges are cut, these charges are used to pay those people that lock up their money. They are called liquidity providers. And this process is called yield farming. So yield farming is also called liquidity provider, liquidity farming, or we call it liquidity mining. You are mining money by providing liquidity. So you provide liquidity, you go and you lock money on a decentralized exchange, and people use this money in swapping. As people are swapping, they are paying charges, and you are receiving commissions for doing this. There are platforms. When you go to this website, when you go to, let's say, Trust Wallet, let's take the simplest one. When you go to Trust Wallet, you will see dApps. You see decentralized apps. When you click on decentralized apps, it will take you to those decentralized apps. All of them there are smart contracts. They are applications built on the blockchain. When you scroll down, you will see yield farming, or you just see farming. All those applications are platforms you can go and lock up money to make rewards, to receive rewards. And this process, it is not that risky, but the risk involved is that if you go and you are locking, let's say you want to lock one BTC, and by that moment one BTC is $20,000, for your understanding. You are not locking $20,000, no, you are locking up one BTC. And if their commission is that after 1 year you make 100% of the amount you lock, after 1 year you have 2 BTCs. That means after 1 year you have 2 BTC. You will not have $20,000 times 2. No, $20,000 was the amount of BTC at that time. So after 1 year, if you have 2, maybe 1 BTC now is $50,000. The 2 will give you $100,000. Maybe after that 1 year, the 1 BTC is $5,000. 2 will give you $10,000. You work on a loss. That is how yield farming works. You are farming, you are sowing to reap. You lock up money on a decentralized exchange and get rewards for locking up your money. That is the process of yield farming.